What's going on, everybody? In this episode, I'll be showing you the types of Bitcoin wallets. Let's discuss the types of Bitcoin wallets and why you might want to use one kind over another. So, types of Bitcoin wallets like hardware wallets. A hardware wallet is a physical electronic device built for the sole purpose of securing Bitcoin. The hardware wallet uses Ledger Nano S, Trezor, and KeepKey. You can click to review their page by clicking this link. Hardware wallets are a good choice for you and are serious about security and confidence. Why are hardware wallets good? Because it's the easiest way to securely store Bitcoin, easy to back up and secure, less margin for error, that is easy even for less technical users. Why are hardware wallets bad? They're not free. And the other wallet is hot wallets. Hot wallets are Bitcoin wallets that run on internet-connected devices, like a computer, mobile phone, or tablet. Here is a quote that the Jordan Chiwana, founder of Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. Think of a hot wallet like your wallet today. You use it to store some cash, but not your life savings. Hot wallets are great if you make payments, but not a good choice for the secure storage of Bitcoin. Why are hot wallets good? Because it is the easiest way to store small amounts of Bitcoin. Convenience, sending and receiving payments is easy and fast. Some hot wallets also access to funds across multiple devices. And why are hot wallets bad? Not safe for the secure storage of large amounts of Bitcoin. Which wallet is best for you? You can watch this video on YouTube or on this website. Where should I store my cryptocurrency? And here is a description about this video. So as you guys know, I'm going to end the video right here. So if you want to find more information, you can go to the WizCoins website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the types of Bitcoin wallets that you can use.